My name is Andreas Vogel. I'm working at Listen2Future in Norway, and I have been work package leader for work package 1 in the Listen2Future project. Work package 1 dealt with the use case definitions and building block specifications. So that means that we have defined all the use cases that are worked on in the project in this work package, and we also defined all the building block specifications. That means all the elements that are part of these demonstrators at the end, including transducers, including electronics, including software blocks, and so on in this work package. And this was really important part of the start of the project, where we defined all the work very thoroughly. And this work package is now finished after the second year. And yeah, all the results from this work package are now further used in the rest of the project.